Hi everyone, I'm here today with Drain Pro, and today we'll be going over simple tips to reduce your sewer bill. Reducing your sewer bill mainly involves using less water, as sewer charges are tied to water usage. So here are some practical ways that we've pulled for you to lower your water consumption and save money on your sewer bill. The first one is fix leaks and drips. Leaks in faucets and toilets can waste a lot of water over time. A dripping faucet can waste 3,000 gallons a year, and a running toilet can waste 200 gallons a day. Regularly check for leaks and repair them promptly. Install water-efficient fixtures. So upgrading to low-flow shower heads, faucets, and dual-flush toilets can significantly cut your water usage without sacrificing comfort. These fixtures can use less water but still perform well. Monitor water usage. So many utility companies offer smart water meters that track your water usage in real time. Installing one helps you spot spikes in usage and find areas to reduce water consumption. Optimize your laundry habits. Washing machines use a lot of water. Wash full loads and use the appropriate water level for the load size. Consider upgrading to a high-efficiency washing machine which uses less water and energy. Water your garden early in the morning or late in the evening to reduce evaporation. Installing a drip irrigation system helps deliver water directly to plant roots, saving water. Use a water softener. If you have hard water, mineral buildup can reduce plumbing efficiency, causing more water usage. So installing a water softener can help prevent this and improve water efficiency. Reduce the use of garbage disposals. Garbage disposals use water to flush waste through the system. So instead of using it frequently, consider composting food scraps to reduce water consumption. Schedule regular drain cleaning. Clogs or slow drains make your plumbing work harder, increasing water usage. So regular drain cleaning ensures your plumbing runs efficiently. Consider alternative water sources. If permitted, install a rainwater harvesting system to collect and use rainwater for outdoor watering. This will reduce reliance on your local water supply and lower your sewer costs. Be mindful of daily habits. Simple changes like turning off the tap water while brushing your teeth, taking shorter showers, and running the dishwasher only when full can all help conserve water. By implementing these steps, you can lower your water bill usage and reduce your sewer bill without compromising on comfort. To learn more, visit us at drainproplumbing.net. And thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time.